Once upon a toy town, Excavaroo and his firefighter friends got ready for a big adventure. Whiskers, the toy cat, got stuck in a tall tree and they had to help. Excavaroo gathered his team: Brave Blaze, the red Firetruck; Speedy Spark, the blue fire engine; and Mighty Mover, the green rescue vehicle. They were all set for an exciting rescue. Excavaroo asked Brave Blaze, "How do you spray water so far, Brave Blaze?" Brave Blaze laughed and said, "I have a strong pump and a big hose. It's like a big drink for the fire." Next, Excavaroo asked Speedy Spark, "Why do you go so fast, Speedy Spark?" Speedy Spark grinned and said, "I have special engines and wheels. They make me zoom like a speedy race car." Excavaroo then asked Mighty Mover, "How do you lift heavy things, Mighty Mover?" Mighty Mover smiled and said, "I have a super strong arm. It can lift anything up high, like a superhero." Excavaroo and his friends lined up for the rescue. But when they started their engines, things got crazy. The sirens wailed, the lights flashed, and off they went, zooming through the town. Brave Blaze revved up its engines and parked right underneath the tall tree where Whiskers was stuck. Its ladder stretched out like a giant arm, ready to catch Whiskers when he came down. With a mighty whoosh, water sprayed from Brave Blaze's hose, making a rainbow in the air. It was like Brave Blaze was giving Whiskers a special water slide to safety. Meanwhile, Speedy Spark raced around the tree, its bright lights shining like stars in the night sky. Beep, beep, it honked cheerfully, making sure Brave Blaze could see everything clearly. "I'm the fastest fire truck in town," it shouted proudly, zipping around in circles. Mighty Mover wasn't about to be left out of the fun. Its strong arm extended high into the air, like a superhero reaching for the clouds. "I've got you, Whiskers!" it called out confidently, ready to catch him when he reached the ground. Whiskers was scared at first, but when he saw his toy friends below, he felt safe. With a careful spray of water from Brave Blaze, Whiskers slowly slid down the tree, giggling all the way. And just as he reached the ground, Mighty Mover's big scoop swooped in to catch him like a giant hug. Everyone cheered as Whiskers landed safely in Mighty Mover's scoop. "Hooray!" they shouted, clapping their toy hands together. "You did it, Whiskers!" Excavaroo and his friends were heroes once again. They learned that when they work together and use their special skills, they can overcome any challenge and save the day.